Hey guys, today we're gonna do the undies and I'm doing the seamless version. So we are going to take our piece, this is the wrong side, and we're going to take our liner and line it up wrong sides to wrong sides, and we're going to sew along this side right here. We're going to use a regular sewing machine, or we're going to use a cover stitch so that the decorative stitch is on the opposite side. Okay, once we add the liner, it shows something like this. My cover stitch was too tight here, so that's why it's all like wrinkled on here, but it should look something like that, and the decorative stitches on the back side. So once that's done, we're just going to sew down the side of the undies, and I'm sewing the left and right side, and then it should look something like this you see here. Since we're not doing binding, we're just going to add our leg bands as we would any other leg band. And you see me doing that right over here. If you were to do binding, it would be before you sewed the sides down. And our last step is adding the waistband. Since I'm not adding binding, I'm just doing a regular waistband like I would any other cuff or any other waistband. Okay, so it should look something like this. I kind of, this is a very not so stretchy fabric, so that's why you see this kind of overstretched, because this doesn't stretch as much. But this is what it should look like once you're done.